so cute. Wait 1 second. My baby wants to come up. So we were in the vanity once, okay? And I was sitting and happy and
Hi!
I'm sorry, I can't say this.
I'm sorry for invading your privacy unintentionally with other 2,000 people.
No. No, but let me tell you what she's done, okay? So we were getting ready for a scene, and the makeup dada was on the other side, and we were on this vanity, and Charlie gets ready, and I'm not completely dressed. Charlie gets ready, and she just opens the door, and makeup dada, hey, Didi, everyone is there, and I'm just like, dude. And this happens right on set. Okay, this is what Charlie did on the
So you were
Cafe.
trying to get back on our word.
No,
But
dude, I don't.
makeup dada and all is just like 2 people. There are like thousands of people here right now.
But you told me to change like direction, so I changed. No.
Yeah. Now I got it. Now I got. The weather is so amazing. It's like raining since like a week. Do you know that? तू
Yeah,
शनि है. तू शनि
keeping
है
from.
क्योंकि जहाँ तू होती है वेदर खराब होता है.
Hey, Chalbe, don't make me abuse her.
I swear I thought you were gonna say something very bad after you said Chalbe.
Yeah, I know, but I have no idea how much I controlled myself to not say that.
I don't know, yeah, I don't know. Remember how I called you in the morning and I'm like, oh shit, we're 9 months.
And what? You haven't given me an asthma attack.
Wow, makes sense. Makes sense. The first time you haven't gotten an asthma attack in a relationship.
Yeah, first time in my life.
That doesn't make sense to me, I told you. उसका मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, but I'll take it anyway. When do you think the lockdown is starting here tomorrow, by the way?
What?
Yeah.
Again?
I thought I'll see you like in a couple of days, but the thing is starting all over again, yeah. Anyway, hi guys, what's up? As we're done with this FaceTime call, we just forgot about it, yeah. So
Guys,
what's up, guys? Yeah. So people have been sending a lot of questions. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, let's answer this. Let's both of us answer this.
What?
Next reality show कब कर रहे हो? When are you gonna do your next reality show, Kriti?
Never. I don't think. I mean,
Why?
if it's like a dance reality show.
What, like Nach Baliye?
Yeah, dude, I had a dream. We went for it and we
So
won.
Nach Baliye?
Yeah.
Wow. And you had a dream we won also.
I had a dream we went for it and we killed it and we won. Dude, you have no idea. Suddenly you started dancing.
Suddenly out of nowhere I'm just doing it. Suddenly I get up in the morning I know how to dance. No, would you do a show like Fear Factor?
Yeah, I would do Fear Factor for sure.
You would do Fear Factor for sure.
Yeah.
But you wouldn't do any. You wouldn't do any.
Fear Factor?
Would I do Fear Factor?
Yeah, they'll get spiders and shit.
What do you think my ego will do?
Yeah, I know. You would.
I would still do Fear Factor because you know how competitive I am.
Yeah, that's true.
But would you do a captive reality show though?
Have you called me here to make fun of me?
No, I'm just asking. Arey Baba. No, please tell me. Would you do a...
Don't fuck around.
I'll ask you a question. If you had to, like, you have to do it, okay? For example, if you have to go to a captive reality show, for sure, okay, for sure, you have no chance. Okay, what would be your game plan? बोलना. अरे बोलना.
नहीं है game
What?
plan.
क्या है? I'm not fighting with you. What do you mean क्या है? क्या चाहिए? I'm asking you. If you had no choice. You have to do a captive reality show. What would be like the
what
thing?
I learned from you, of course, is to
don't spoil my name.
Just go have fun.
Better. But that's what
Yeah.
I've taught you. I've taught you
Yeah.
nothing else.
Yeah. Just go have fun and don't cry.
Don't
'Cause
cry.
yeah, don't cry and shit.
That's so for
Uh,
sure, for sure, for sure.
yeah. Yeah.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
People are telling you to save this life, so please don't say anything messed up, Sam.
Okay, yeah, yeah. I'm just trying to find another question. There's so many. There's so
But how do you
many.
put the question on the screen? How do you do that? I've never done
You
that.
just have to click it. Now there's a question which says, if you got corona and God willingly recover, will you donate plasma? What the
For
fuck?
sure. For sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, dude. Might
yeah.
as well
Like
do it.
you would, but God forbid, like let's not get it now.
Oh,
Yeah,
we won't get.
let's just not get it. Oh yeah, there's another question.
Trisan, are you in touch with Path and Neeti? Of course I am. Not as often with Path, but Neeti and I talk a lot.
Okay, let me find a really interesting one. Okay, I just saw a really funny one. Oh no, there's another one. It says, when was the last time you both met each other? I was on my way to. There's a thunderstorm here. Do you realize that it's a
Show me
thunderstorm?
what it looks like. I want to see. I miss the rain, dude. It's not raining here.
See?
So pretty. You want to see the view here? It's like,
Okay, we're showing everybody our views.
oh.
Yeah. So when was the last time you both met? I was on my way to Pune for some work, and I needed something from Kriti. Let's not say what I needed, but I
That
needed
sounds
something.
really wrong, Sam.
No,
I
no,
needed
no,
something from Chrissy.
no,
I
no.
can't tell
Like
you guys what I needed. That
an
sounds really
object,
cringe.
an object. I needed an object which she had,
The dogs
and
are losing it right now.
it looks like you guys stay in like a rescue home.
Dog heaven?
It's like a rescue home.
There are just dogs everywhere, dude.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You posted this picture, no? Where all these female dogs and you're just like bitching.
Yeah, dude. They're all here. They're all here. Come here.
Those dogs do not act like the way they look.
What? You want to see
Those
the way they
all
take them?
it looks like a rescue home for sure, where you rescue dogs and get them, no?
Dude, this is
All
how
these
I
stray
want. Like
dogs.
I want like a huge ass farm with like just dogs everywhere. Not
So
only
if you
dogs.
ha- if you got a piece of land and you could make any house that you want, but you can never leave it ever, what all would you have in it though?
What?
If you got like a piece of land and you can make your dream house, okay, and but the thing is that you can never leave it. So what are the like the three things what you would have in that place for sure?
Um, it would be like an island,
N-
right? Where I could have
No
like
no
very few
no
things.
no dirty answers.
Yeah, you're gonna save this, right? I'll behave. um, lots of dogs. Um, like, is material stuff available there, or is it only one material thing?
Babe, it's not a trick question. There's three things which you would want with you on an island which you can never leave in your life. Any
Okay,
any three things in the world.
lots of dogs, internet, and you.
Oh,
Works,
okay.
right?
I said no dirty answers.
What? How is that dirty? I said you. I didn't say anything else.
Wait, hold on.
What about you? No dirty answers.
Oh, okay, wait. What about me?
Yeah.
If I had a choice to say that if I had three things on an island, it would be music, and all the fruit that I would ever want to eat, and you,
Oh, so
and
cute.
something illegal.
Yeah, me too. But that's like that's a given, Sam.
Yeah, but still,
But this time you
somebody
know what's
said
gonna happen,
some
right?
somebody said music, Chrissy, and gym
But
for
you
the
get
people
what's
who
gonna
do not,
happen this time, right? Like the thing that
they're
happened
not
last
going to
time,
an
the
island.
opposite.
What thing
No, but
happened
still.
last time? What?
You remember? You remember? I can't say it here, Sam.
Tell me after the call. Sam, have you watched Class of 2017? I haven't. The only scene that I have watched in Class of 2017 is the scene where Krizan is beating this girl up in a science lab. And I've watched it because she told me she slapped her for real. So I was really,
Yeah.
really curious about, how it would
So
look.
that's not how it was supposed to be. So what happened was
अच्छा हिंदी
when
में बात करते हैं.
okay, no why?
No, why? किस करते हैं ना हिंदी में.
If MTV could not get me to do it, Instagram can't.
I'm asking you. Instagram isn't.
Okay, fine. You
Hmm.
asked, I'll do
Hmm.
it. What was I saying?
Wow. Yeah, the scene where you slapped the girl for real in
हाँ,
2017.
so वो हम पहले दो ट्राई किया कि हम एक्टिंग करेंगे नहीं 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 मारेगा ओके सो दीज लाइक हमने किया एक टाइम वी स्टार्ट लाफिंग
Hmm.
दूसरा टाइम हम फिर से किए
Hmm. Hmm.
और
Keep going. You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep going.
हम बहुत लाइक हंस रहे थे तो नहीं हुआ तो मैंने उसको बोला कि लिसन ओके दिस दिस विल बी रियली कूल हम एक्चुअली मारेगा और फिर सीन बहुत अच्छा आएगा एंड एवरीवन पुट बेट्स ओके बिकॉज श्वेता इज लाइक you know a healthy girl so everyone is like Shweta's gonna kick Krisan's ass but a few friends like Kajol and Anshuman and Rohan they were like nahi Krisan maregi so like we started the scene और मैंने उसको पकड़ा and I beat the crap out of her and she just looked at me in the middle of the scene I could see her face वो मुझको देख रही है and she's like oh fuck bro what's going on here what did I
Yeah,
ever do
but
to you
yeah. I loved it. It had that is the only scene I watched in 2017, but she's done a hell of a job. So like, yeah.
oh,
Modi
thank
Harshad asks, have you both ever been in a bad phase of your relationship? Just to make
I
it clear, yeah. Just to make it clear, sometimes we even forget that we are in a relationship
yeah
because we're not like that. I think we've never had any kind of fucked up phase in our relationship.
touch wood
We've been really cool about everything. It's
yeah
been
dude we
extremely
just
chill.
laugh all the time
Because when you think about it, we met on a show which was chaos. So after getting out from there, we've been at peace. So like it's just it's been
we can deal with anything now after that show. No,
true.
but even today when Sam called me and he was like, "Listen, it's been 9 months," and I'm like, "No, what? It's not possible. You've not given me an asthma attack, huh?"
Yeah.
People are like, honeymoon period gets over after 6 months. Balls to them, dude. This has been awesome. Touch wood,
Yeah.
thanks, man.
So it's been super cool. We haven't really been stressing out about anything at all. Hold on. Uh, 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 uh.
Come on, guys, ask nicer questions, man. You guys wanted us to come live so bad.
Chrisman, Varun, and Divya, will I see them together at any platform ahead? I wish.
Oh yeah,
So
dude. We
yeah,
can't
I
tell.
mean, I think we can't tell them.
Yeah, we can't. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
so
You'll see.
you'll see. I mean, like it's up for grabs. Maybe we have shared some screen space for a couple of minutes. Maybe. So you guys
Maybe.
wait and see.
What show have you been binge watching, Sam?
What do you think? Ertugrul, dude. I'm in
I
my
know you
third
tell them. I
season.
know.
Yeah, I've been watching Ertugrul, and I'm in my third season. It's a Turkish show, and it's very long. यार इतना बड़ा show. मतलब each season has about like 100 episodes, and every episode is like 40 minutes. I just started my third season. Like I'm halfway through, to be honest. Don't think I'm that jobless. I've just started binge watching a lot. So yeah. What show have you been binge watching though?
I've not been watching anything. I've had like no concentration. I can't. I
No
swear,
concentration.
all we do is drink tea and play Ludo, dude, and take our dogs down, and then we click pictures. That's all we do.
Manar says 9 months में और क्या क्या हो जाता है. I don't know, bro. You tell me.
Nor do I. You tell us now what happens.
Yeah, you tell me. You tell me.
We want to see you guys in series and movies, dude. We want the same thing. Wish for
We
it
would.
little more.
Yeah, wish for a little more. Wish that this virus thing ends. Because to be honest, there still is something that is like on hold, and we can't tell you if it's a movie, we can't tell you if it's a series, we can't tell you anything about it. But yeah, something is on hold, and because we aren't able to shoot anything, or there's not a lot of permissions in the industry, so that's the reason everything is on hold. But yeah, just wish a little harder and stay home so that the virus ends and me and her can
We can
finally
meet.
see each other, and we can actually do something that was actually scheduled to. It would have been out by now already.
Yeah, man. But
Yeah,
it's
so
okay.
yeah,
It will happen soon.
yeah, it
The
will. It
virus
will.
will
It will.
end very soon.
First experience about your first date. If you guys know something, we never actually had a date.
Yeah, man.
We never, because we always are traveling. We are here and there. Because out of these 9 months, we've spent more than five just traveling.
Yeah.
We've spent
That's
more
all
than
we do.
five
Just
months
travel.
just traveling. So yeah.
So our dates have been traveling to different cities and countries. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
that's how we've been spending time. We've been just, because me and her share a common love for traveling and exploring and new culture and new traditions. So that's all we've been doing. We've been just traveling and exploring. And the last time we were traveling, we already had everything set for our next trip. We were just supposed to,
Yeah.
like, it was gonna
Go.
happen
The
in like two
dates were
weeks.
also given. It
Yeah,
was
yeah,
on your
yeah.
birthday.
We were going after Maldives. We were going to Dubai for my birthday, and we were going to shoot our next vlog there. So, but that, you know how the world got fucked over because of this Corona thing. So yeah, that's just how it has been lately.
Yeah, dude, it's been insane.
All of the shows are starting their shooting. Not all, very selective,
Very few. Very few.
very
And only
very
very
few
few
shows.
people on set.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So they have this mandatory condition about limited people being on set, and they have given out permissions to very selective shows. So everything is on hold other than that. So yeah, fuck you, Corona. Fuck you. Okay, yeah, yeah. We
You're
get your
funny
point.
together.
I can't read properly. Hold on.
You're
Name of
funny
all the dogs. Somebody wants to
together.
know the name of all the dogs.
Oh, my dog is Kiara. Charlie's is Choti. Uh, Vibha's is Zero. And Breshna's is Coffee. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, but yeah. So we guys wanted to come on and talk to you guys a little bit because it's been very long. We'll try doing more live sessions from now on. It'll be fun. So yeah, it was good, and you look super pretty, Christy, by the way. Yeah,
Oh, thank you. I was staring at
yeah.
myself and I wasn't
I know.
listening.
I realized that. I realized that. That's the reason I said you look pretty. Stop staring at yourself. It's okay.
Fuck
हाँ
you.
जी. हिंदी भी हमने बोली है. So I don't save much of my life, but I'll save this life because
Okay,
people
listen,
have been
listen. I
yelling.
keep getting these questions. Is long distance relationship posing any challenge on us?
No, it's not, dude. It's not. Like when you think about it, distance doesn't really matter. It's just how
Yeah,
you
it
need
doesn't.
to understand the other person, and it's just how it is. So we've never really clear, faced the problem. If you're understanding enough and you realize that two people have two individual lives, you'll never have problems in a relationship.
Exactly.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
smart you are.
I know, I know, I know. I am the all brains of this, so it's okay.
No,
Okay,
that's
I'm
not
kidding.
true.
I'm kidding.
That's not true.
See, even when I smile, I'm fat now.
You're not fat.
I have cheeks.
It's cute.
Oh, shut up.
So adorable.
Anyway, so it was fun coming live. We're gonna try coming live properly very soon, and we're gonna try having more, sessions like this. And I'm gonna call you right after this, okay?
I was sorry, I was still staring shit,
I
dude.
know, and that's the reason I'm saying just stop staring at yourself. So you chill, and and
You
maybe you go sit in front of the mirror for a while so that you don't do this again.
shut up. What is wrong with you?
Yeah, but it was fun coming, guys. Thank you so much. We're gonna come super soon.
Thank you for still giving us love. So many months later, you guys are too cute.
Always,
Bye,
always.
Sam.
Thank you for such love.
See you.